Hello everyone, the objective of this video is to learn to download Landsat 9 data from EarthExplorer and also to learn about Landsat 9 itself. Landsat 9 was launched in September 27, 2021. And the data is available beginning from January 31, 2022. And the three main sites from where we can download or visualize the data are EarthExplorer, Landsat Look, and Globis. Similar to its previous versions, Landsat 9 has 11 bands. Band 1 to 7 and 9 is in 30-meter resolution. Band 8, the panchromatic band, is in 15-meter. And there are two thermal bands with 100-meter resolution, which is resampled to 30-meter. We have the chart here showing the wavelengths for different Landsat sensors. Beginning from Landsat MSS, there has been improvements. For Landsat 9, we have now YLI2 and Tourist2 sensors. From January 1, 2022, Landsat acquisitions will only have collection to level data only. In this collection 2 data, similar to collection 1, there are two levels. The first one is processed with required processings. If certain criteria are not met, the data is moved to level 2, and level 2 includes data such as surface reflectance and surface temperature. Here we have the images from Landsat 8 collection level 2A, the first one, and the middle one here is Landsat 8 collection to level 2, and you can see level 2 is more vibrant. The green colors are more visible or more distinct. And here is the next important thing. We also have the naming systems, and this is very much important to understand about the data itself. So yellow stands for Landsat because this is the satellite, and letter C means both YLI and tourist data are present. It can be O or T depending on the YLI data only or TIRS data only. So then we have the satellite number. So in this case, the number is 09 because we are working with Landsat 9. Then we have the processing levels. And after that, we have the paths or rows. And the names are followed by acquisition year and the processing year. And finally, we have the collection number and the collection category. So in general, this is how the naming system works. And as soon as we look the names of the data, we can understand or we can see what's being or what is in the data itself. So there are also file types and extensions. These here help us to know more about the data, and these are helpful while we are working and understand about the image properties. So there are two important sites from Uscs and NASA. The first one is uscs.gov/Landsat-missions. And this whole presentation is based from that. And there are lots of materials, important ones, not only helping us to know how to use, but also helping us to really understand what everything is all about. So the other one is landsat.gsfc.nasa.gov. So these two are the helpful sites for learners like us. Downloading Landsat data from EarthExplorer is easy. EarthExplorer is accessed by earthexplorer.uscs.gov. We need to make an account and we should be logged in, which I have already done. We have 4 tabs in the left side. Beginning result criteria, there are different ways to go to the location. We have the interactive map here, and it can be zoomed in or it can be zoomed out as well. So here we have we can create the polygons like this. So for example, I am selecting somewhere from Nepal. You can just drop this location icon here. But there are other ways as well. For example, if we see at the very top here, we can have different methods. So we have the ways of doing this in different ways. But we can also upload the save file as our area of interest. The more fun way to do this is to make the polygon that I had just done before. We can also draw the circle here, or we can have some predefined area, adding save, or and this I think works only for the United States. So I am just dropping a point for now. So we go to the date range, and as we're working for Landsat 9, let us choose the date after January 1, 2022, after January 1, and here we have the cloud cover, and we can set the cloud cover range here. It just excludes the images based on the cloud presence in the image. 0 to 10 or 0 to 15 would do just fine. Then we move to data sets. So here we have the Landsat. We can easily see that, and we search and we search we check the Landsat 8 to 9 WLI TRS-C2 L2, and this is being done for 2. So this is just the way we are just checking both of them for now. And we have here additional criteria. After ticking mark the data sets, we can move to additional criteria. And here we have selected the satellite to be only from Landsat 9. The collection category can be chosen as all, or it can be selected as per our requirements. And finally, we can do the results. So for this case here, I have been resulted with only one data. So this here is the footprint. It shows the extension or extension of the maze. And we also have the view category. It helps to see the maze, how it's like. And we also have the comparison. This works with the multiple images by selecting this image, by selecting this icon in multiple images. We can go to the compare, and this compares the images. And here we have the metadata that you can see. And you can also see the thumbnail of the image. So the image is downloaded by this download option, and this helps to download. We can either download each band within the image, or each file within the image, or you can download the whole image. So the file size are nearly 1 GB or more, and it comes in the GIF. If we have multiple images, this can also be added to the bulk download, and this helps to download many images at once. And this icon here helps to exclude this result from further search. So for now, I have already downloaded this by going to the download options and downloading this. And after extraction, we get something like this. So there are many bands here. So this TIFF image in particular can be opened with any GIS software, and further works can be done with it. So the other things to know about EarthExplorer is here we have the user settings. This is helpful for our personal preferences. And here's the help. We can find more suggestions, or if we're confused with anything, we can go and check this help menu. So this concludes the video content. If you were new to everything like this, I hope this was helpful to you. Any comments are welcomed. Thank you.